Hey guys, Danielle here with GLI's educational series. If I can do it, so can you. Today we're going to talk about properly prepping your pool for your new vinyl liner. Let's dive in. Okay guys, so I'm back in the pool again and it's time to get it all prepped for your new vinyl liner. The first thing you're going to do is all of this stuff, you're going to want to broom it up. Clean it up, get it into a nice pile. Get it ready to get out of here because you do not want it underneath your liner. Now, if you have a vermiculite bottom like we have in here, you're gonna wanna go around and check and make sure it's nice and smooth. If there's marks or wear and tear that happens to happen to the pool bottom, you're gonna wanna go smooth it out, patch it up, get it nice and clean. Lastly, you wanna make sure that all of the water, all that nasty stuff in the bottom right now is out. You cannot put a new liner in if it's wet, so it's gotta be dry. So clean up the bottom, make it nice and smooth, get all that muck and gunk out of here, and make it nice and clean so you can have a beautiful liner install. Okay guys, you can do it. Can't wait to see your new liner installs. Good luck.